Hey, Scott Miller here from thegrowthleague.com. In this video, I want to talk to you about networking events. If you or your sales reps are out there going to networking events, I want to caution you that it might not be the best use of time, right? We've all got a very limited amount of time, especially when it comes to sales. We want to make the most of it. If you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I'm making these videos and I'm coaching owners and production managers and restoration salespeople because I'm passionate about helping them to get more profitable and make more money, reduce the chaos and have a more systematic approach to things, and ultimately to help the owner build something they can sell someday for a lot of money when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, let's get into it. Networking events. Sometimes I talk to a rep and they tell me about all the networking events they go to. When I first start talking to them, I say, tell me about your sales activity. What does a typical day look like for you? They tell me about this network event, that networking event, this BNI. And all these things are good. But here's what I find when a rep says, I don't know what's going on. I'm attending all these networking events and I'm not getting referrals. One is lack of a good, deep connection. Like, you're not really building a relationship at a networking event. Maybe a little bit, but very surface. You might not see the person next month at the event. You might not see them for 6 months. You might not ever see them again. So lack of a really good, deep connection doesn't happen on one visit. Number two, too much talking, not enough listening. I'm not a big talker, but I'm guilty of it myself sometimes. When I get into a sales situation, sometimes I get excited about how I can help, and I just talk and talk and talk, and I don't listen. I don't ask good questions, and I don't listen. So that's the other caution. Stop talking so much. Do a better job of asking great questions and listening. Listen for what's important to the person that you're trying to build a relationship with, help, and ultimately get referrals from. Number three, no follow-up mechanism. You go to the event, you collect 5, 10, 15, 20 business cards, and it feels good, right? It feels good to have that stack of cards. Great, I made a lot of connections today, and they go on your pile. I worked with a rep for a long time who was very, very successful and still is, and he would talk about, he had Ziploc bags where he would go out and collect business cards, put them in the Ziploc bag, and he had these piles of Ziploc bags with business cards in, and he had a hard time getting back to them, right? So you need a really good follow-up mechanism, a way to get in touch with people again and do the important things like schedule a one-on-one, meet them for coffee, meet them at their office, get into some type of routine where if you think the person has the potential to be a great referral source, follow up with them on a regular basis. Okay, so these are some of the things that I work on with sales reps in the Restoration Sales Academy, and sometimes with teams that are not part of a group coaching environment that I work with individually or with just a team of sales reps in a company. If you want to learn more about how I might be able to help you, just click the link below, book a call with me. You can also email me at scott@thegrowthleague.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.